Today I'm going to give you one of my favorite easy tips on how to ground your energy. If this interests you, stick around. Hi, I'm Veronica and welcome back to the Wholeness Shift. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I teach people about easy, practical spirituality, intentional living, the law of attraction, and all of the easy little things that you can do to create the life of your dreams. Today we're going to talk about grounding your energy. And I've talked about this a lot in other videos, but just recently I have found that I'm having to talk about it a lot in coaching, in emails and messages you guys send me, in the comment section. And a common problem that you guys are all having have to do with your root chakra, have to do with needing to ground your energy. So when you're talking about grounding, you know, we all know the easy ways, the ways that come to mind. First and foremost, walking barefoot in the grass, get out there and get in contact with the earth. Water, take a bath, take a shower, go swimming, any of those things. Certain crystals that work with your root chakra or that help ground your energy, such as, you know, black tourmaline and obsidian, things like that. Going into nature is the number one way to ground your energy. Go for a walk in the woods, go hug a tree, go for a walk and look at the birds and look at the trees, look at the sky. That is a wonderful way to ground your energy. But what do you do if you can't get into nature? What do you do if you're stuck in a cubicle in an office in the middle of the day? What if you're sitting in a traffic jam at 5:30 in the afternoon? What if it's 3 in the morning and you're sitting in a rocking chair in a nursery feeding your baby and you can't get outside into nature, but yet you're feeling all kinds of frazzled and you just need to bring that energy down, grounded into Mother Earth? What do you do? My favorite thing to do is to simply ask my guides to align me with the energy of an oak tree. If you do that, if you're clairsentient, do that and tell me what you feel. I instantly feel, it feels like somebody's grabbing my hips and all my energy and just pulling me down into the earth. And if I'm really stressed or really having a hard time, I really need to get my energy grounded, I ask to be aligned with a forest of oak trees. And then it's like, really get grounded. So any of the archangels can do this. Your guides can help you do this. Just ask. Will you please align me with the energy of an oak tree? All right, you guys, I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Hit that like button. I'll talk to you soon.